In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple calendars in Outlook. Having separate calendars for work, personal plans, or projects helps you keep everything organized without mixing events. I'll walk you through the process in the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web, and then show the steps for classic Outlook for Windows. If you are using the new Outlook for Windows or Outlook on the web, start by switching to Calendar View. You'll know you are in the right place when you see your calendar grid. Look just below that grid for the Add Calendar option and select it. From the options that appear, choose Create Blank Calendar. This tells Outlook you are starting fresh rather than subscribing to an existing calendar or importing one. Next, give your new calendar a clear descriptive name, something like personal, travel, or team projects, so you can recognize it at a glance. To make it stand out visually, assign a color or a charm. Colors are great for quick scanning, and charms are small icons that add a visual cue. Especially helpful if you juggle many calendars. When you are happy with the name and look, select Save. Your new calendar will appear in your calendar list, ready to toggle on or off alongside your other calendars. Now, if you are using Classic Outlook for Windows, the steps are slightly different but just as straightforward. Open Classic Outlook and go to the Calendar module. In the Home tab, look for the Manage Calendars section. There, select Open Calendar and then choose Create New Blank Calendar. You'll be prompted to type a name. Again, pick something meaningful to keep things clear. You'll also be asked to choose the folder location. This is simply where the calendar will live in your calendar list. Most people place it under My Calendars, so it's easy to find. Once you've named it and picked a location, click OK. The new calendar will appear in your list, and you can view it alongside your existing calendars to compare schedules or layer events. That's it. Thanks for watching.